Welcome in, welcome in. So I got something a little bit different today. If you're scrapping on a budget and you live in a neighborhood, check out some dumpsters close. Jump on your bicycle, get some exercise. Scout out some dumpsters, and if you find some stuff, pick it up later, right? I don't always do this, but I do it sometimes, just to why not, right? Save money. So if you do scope out, say a couple miles, whatever, hit up the dumpster, and then you know where to go. So I'm just gonna leave the camera on a few spots here. I'm not gonna edit this. I'm not gonna do anything really. I'm just gonna leave it live and we'll just check it out. I have my headlamp, so we can hit up a couple spots, and if there is anything, I can scoop it up later. So let's check it out. I said I do have my light so we can see, and I probably live about a mile away from here, so we'll just leave it live. I said I'm not gonna do a video like this all the time, but I figured something different. So we got some cans. You have some metal. Little hose reel down there. So not too much in this one. Cruise over here real quick. Like I said, I'm not gonna turn the camera off. A little bit of metal. A little bit of metal. Not too much. Not too much. A little bit. The light. So that's some scoops right there. Anyway, if you do like this kind of video, let me know at the end. Something different to do. I needed to get out, clear the mind. One of those days. Exercise definitely can make you feel a little better. So if you do go out, you can make some piles at these different trash cans, right? I could take all that out, pile it up, take this out, pile it all up. Hop in the vehicle. You know exactly what vehicle you want to bring. So you got a truck, car, whatever. Have it ready. Come scoop it up. Once again, it's going to be a non-edit video. I have no idea what's going on out here, but don't be afraid to exercise, right? A little piece of steel over there. Not too much in this one. What about the metal door? Oh, geez, look at that thing up. Got a truck, you can scoop that up pretty quick. Right along with DMK. Obviously you can't really pick up a lot on a bike. Well, actually you can, right? but it's mostly for scoping out. If you're in an area where you can get to quite a few spots. Nothing, huh? Sweet. Nighttime's the best for scoping and picking up scoops. What's this? What's that? A little bit of metal. I know everyone's in different situations when it comes to money and financial and driving and all kinds of stuff, so look at that, guys. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh, it's plastic. It's plastic. It's all plastic, unfortunately, but that's a big old grill. Someone dumped a grill in the pink chair, huh? Couple pipes down there. I didn't bring a magnet, but definitely some heavy steel. I think where's that, aluminum or brass? I don't really pick up grills. Holy crap! That's a heavy grill too. Clear, that's a heavy grill. Sheesh. Never know what you're gonna find, guys. Never know what you're gonna find. I see, what is that? What is that thing? Ah, there actually is some little metal. Possibly aluminum, some grates. So now I know what's in here. The wall. With a bike, you can go places the car can't go, right? Or the truck or whatever. Nada, nada, nada. I know there's a few dumpsters back there, so we'll hit that. And then I got to travel a little bit to get to some other spots. So I'll shut the camera off for a little bit. I wasn't gonna, but shut it off just so I can cross the highway. Not sure how well we're gonna be able to see anyway. Back here's fun. Yeah, if you don't mind exercise, definitely the way to go. Blinds action. Some blinds, some more weight. Steel weight, steel weight. Lock. Always gotta watch out. Never know what's gonna jump out at you, right? Squirrels. Next open top's right on the other side of this building, so I'm not gonna turn it off. I was gonna turn it off, but we'll do a little test. Definitely comment below if you like it or not. Probably just gonna do one of them just to help people out. Probably super dark. Should be an open top up here. Doran. Couple open tops. Should be one over there. Some nice rebar. Just like that. Rebar. Nothing wrong with a little rebar. Can't bring that, but I can bring that. Don't be afraid to exercise. Ooh. One of these. Nice big chunks of heavy steel. My scrapyard only gives one shred price. They don't give like better pricing on it, so check these out. If you want metal, you can find metal. You can find cans. One open top down there. Getting a little chilly in my neck of the woods. I don't know what you guys are up to. I love getting out though. Summertime I can bike for miles. This time of the year it's not too bad. I love just getting out though. Check out my new ride. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, my new ride. Oh yeah. Wood. Actually might be a piece of aluminum over there. Aluminum Kingster. Know your local area. Where did I see it? Where did I see it? Where'd you go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. That is aluminum. Not gonna fit in my backpack. Just showing you anyway. So I'm gonna go down the hill. I'll turn it on back when I get up by the highway. Alright, so we were just over that way. If you're on a bicycle, you gotta be careful. Highway action. We just gotta cross the street, head up over here. I'll turn the light on in a second. Always watch for cars, crazy kids. Should be a dumpster over here. Enterprise had a video over here one time. Found some change. Let's see what we got. I think this is a water place. Plastic, garbage, garbage. So I probably only had the camera off for about 3 minutes. Car dealership. Don't get too close, make the alarms go off. Grill is not trash. Some cans. Usually if I do bike, I'll grab those cans. So I'll take you with to the dark side down here. Usually I won't come down here at night by myself. Clearly it's pretty dark. But for the sake of the video, let's do it. It's gonna be one random dumpster and then there's a strip mall down there. Stinks. So we'll go down here and then there's a little strip mall. dumpster. Sorry about the wind if you can hear it. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. If you are always be careful by yourself at night. There's some water. 100% water. I know it's water. A little metal bucket. It's a nice bucket. I would take that, no problem. Let's go. Aluminum. These vents are aluminum. Good for wire. This would be it's gonna be data wire. So I'll pop that in the backpack. Yeah, two things I will actually grab when I'm out biking. Wire, which obviously everyone should grab. And if I'm not really finding too much, I'll grab some cans. They are down to 36 cents a pound now, but it's actually more, I know we do this for money, but, well, right, we all do it for money, no secret. And other reasons, but, completely forgot what I was gonna say. I totally forgot what I was gonna say. Doodly-doo, scatterbrain boy. Before we head down here, this is a pet store. I don't like going in here because there's always animals. Oh, there's a kitty. Oh, it's a bag. Anyway, I don't usually come back here because there's you're back. Obviously there was something over there. You got wild animals, you got there's a rabbit. Homeless people. Nothing against homeless people. Just gotta be careful, guys and gals. Desperate people do desperate things. Cardboard. Cardboard. Some fake plants and a chair. This would be sporting goods. Play It Again Sports, if you guys haven't played against sports. Not a good day to show that, I guess. Yeah, Play It Again Sports. Lock dumpster. Don't steal my trash. Don't steal my trash. So if you were driving all this way, right, I haven't found too much. So you're burning up gas for what, right? Burning up gas, you're not making anything back. This is gonna be kind of a long video if the camera's still going. You need boxes, there's plenty of place to get boxes. Check this out. This could be kind of cool. Look at this. So this is actually in there. That's super cool. Look at the price on this. US $59.99, $69.99. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spooky Town. Might have got broken or something, so I'll grab one of these. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6 more in there. So at the end of the video, I'll open this up. Check it out. Actually, I'll just open it up now, right? It's not even open. It's not even open. Well, it might be open. Crazy. Spooky Town. All I'll check it out when I get back. Alright, so I just left that area. So I will I'm gonna head back, but I just want to give you guys an idea. You don't have to have a car to scope out some spots. Don't have to have a car to scope out spots, but obviously you need something to pick it up. But I'm gonna get back. I just gotta cruise down this way and then I'll be back home and we'll check out that spooky thing. I'll turn the camera on, we'll check it out. See you at the house. And we're back. So I was probably out for about a half hour. Nothing crazy, just some exercise. Scoping in. We'll check out the Spooky Town in a second. Oh man. Alright, so I'll see you inside and then we'll check out Spooky Town. So that was found in the garbage on that last stop. It's like ceramic, it's actually pretty cool. Except the zombies are falling off. A little damage to it. I think it's supposed to light up, but it's not lighting up. Not sure if it needs